This is the HIV care treatment and prevention that has been supported by CDC to support the Ministry of Health in achieving the epidemic control. The program ran from 2016 to 2021, and the design under the treatment program was in line with two important documents that the HIV program at national level uses. The first one is the Zambia National Health Strategic Plan 2017-2021, and the second one is the National Health Strategic Framework 2017 to 2021. The activities that we implemented in the treatment branch was in line with the objective that were highlighted in the two documents. So as some of the major success of the program have been, number one, the implementation of the SAGE campaign in Lusaka that helped Lusaka achieve epidemic control as early as 2018-2029. We had also the U equals U campaign that aimed at reducing the stigma and discrimination among people living with HIV. We had also, as one of the major achievements, the scaling up of the test and treat guideline to whole supported facilities. And here I have to mention that before the adoption of the test and treat guideline, we had a few facilities that were not able to provide HIV services. Then based on that scale up, CIDAS under the treatment program, we were instrumental in capacity building activities, setting up these guidelines and setting up facilities to be able to provide services to people living with HIV. So we can say that health posts, community posts, as well as all the hospitals are able to provide HIV services.
The project of Achievers, it has really helped our facility in so many ways. And one of the ways that it has helped our facility is by decongesting the number of clients that would come from OPD section, as well as by building us our prefab. It has improved in our facility so much, in the sense that it has helped a number of our clients to be free. Most of them would go to OPD departments, and it was difficult for them to express themselves when it comes to in terms of explaining to our clinicians each and everything that they would want, more especially if they're having a challenges, because there used to be a long queues that used to be found there.